Lep pozdrav predstavnikom medijev. Danes sem zelo počaščen in vesel, da v Slovenski vojski gostim predsedujočega Vojaškemu odboru NATO admirala Roba Bauerja, s katerim odlično sodelujemo in si želimo še več pristnih in tesnih sodelovanj tudi v prihodnje. Z admiralom Bauerjem sva imela zanimive, konstruktivne in intenzivne pogovore, v katerih sva izmenjala poglede in ideje o aktualnih temah, poseben poudarek pa sva namenila varnostnim razmeram in prihodnosti na Zahodnem Balkanu in seveda vzhodnemu krilu NATO. Med drugimi sva govorila tudi o različnih izzivih, možnostih in priložnostih, s katerimi članice zavezništva prispevajo k naši skupni varnosti, pri čemer sta razvoj in modernizacija vojsk držav članic najbolj nujna. Admiralu sem predstavil načrte modernizacije vojaške opreme Slovenske vojske, raziskave, razvoj in inovacije povezane s to vsebino, ki potekajo in jih načrtujemo tudi v prihodnje, ter ostale ukrepe, s katerimi lahko Slovenska vojska še učinkoviteje prispeva k ohranjanju mednarodne varnosti. Slovenska vojska je aktivno prisotna v napori kolektivne obrambe zavezništva in NATO-vih aktivnostih na robu zavezništva za krepitev obrambe in vračilne drže. V Slovenski vojski razumemo in podpiramo prizadevanje NATO za ohranjanje varnosti in v zavezništvu in izven naših meja. Storili bomo vse, kar je v naši moči, da skupaj z NATO-vimi državami ohranimo našo skupno in varno sobivanje v zavezništvu. Hvala lepa.
Dobar dan. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to be here in Ljubljana upon the invitation of Major General Glavaš. Thank you very much, Robert. Slovenia is a highly valued ally that contributes to our shared security and to our collective defense in a number of ways. You help strengthen NATO's deterrence and defense posture on the eastern flank by contributing to the multinational battle groups in Latvia and Slovakia. You play a significant role in promoting regional stability and cooperation in southeastern Europe and the Western Balkans. And you contribute to NATO's mission in Iraq, where we advise Iraqi security institutions and forces. In addition, Slovenia hosts the NATO-accredited multinational Mountain Warfare Center of Excellence, sharing its unique experience and expertise in this terrain. NATO values Slovenia's commitment to bringing the region closer to the rest of Europe and the transatlantic family. In this new era of collective defense, the importance of coming together as a collective cannot be overstated. Russia's brutal invasion of Ukraine has fundamentally changed our shared security. And unfortunately, despite its failures on the battlefield, Russia is showing no sign of preparing for peace. The stakes of this war stretch far beyond Ukraine, of even Europe. This is about upholding the international rules-based order. Therefore, NATO is increasing its support through the comprehensive assistance package, including fuel, winter clothing, and medical supplies. And allies are continuing to supply Ukraine with the weapons they need for both their defense as well as counter-offensive operations. Slovenia has sent both humanitarian aid and military aid to support Ukraine. Contributing to Ukraine's strength on the battlefield also helps strengthen its position at the negotiation table. Bottom line is, the fastest way to end this war is to keep supporting Ukraine. As our strategic concept makes clear, Russia is the most significant and direct threat to Allied security and to peace and stability in the Euro-Atlantic area. Our collective set of forces needs to be ready and available at sufficient scale and readiness to deter and defend against all threats in all domains and in all geographic areas. Therefore, NATO is encouraged by Slovenia's efforts to invest more in defense, modernize its military equipment, and find new ways to attract and retain personnel in the Slovenian armed forces. This will help us make all becoming safer. I look forward to seeing Slovenia's capabilities during this country visit And I would like to thank Major General Glavaš and the Slovenian Armed Forces for everything they do to uphold the values we hold dear. Together, we protect the 1 billion people who live on Allied soil and uphold the international rules-based order. Thank you. Bye-bye.